Standard 2, Subject Maths, Chapter 2. Let's handle geometrical shapes. Introduction. Children, today we are going to learn about the different shapes in geometry. You can see many things kept on this table: a matchstick box, a carton of toothpaste and mithai box, water bottles, balls of different sizes, a clown cap, and pipes made of card paper are the objects which we have here. Can you tell me which objects are of similar shapes?
Yes, madam. The matchstick box, mithai carton, and toothpaste carton, they have a similar shape. Big and small balls have a round shape. Madam, the joker's or clown's cap and the pipes made of card paper have a similar shape. But we do not know what it is called. And the water bottles are also similar.
All of you have answered very well. So well done! We are going to learn about these shapes today. The first shape is cuboid or parallel piped. Children, the shape of a carton of mithai or that of a brick is known as cuboid or parallel piped. A compass box, a toothpaste carton, an eraser, a matchstick box are all examples of cuboid. This is a brick. Let us count how many edges and corners this brick has got. First, count the edges.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
The cuboid has 12 edges. So now count the corners, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Correct. A cuboid has 8 corners. Now let us look at the surfaces of a cuboid, which are flat parts of the cuboid. So count the surfaces now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. This means that the cuboid has 6 surfaces in all and they are all flat. Children, if you place any object of cuboid shape on the slide in the park, it will slip down the slope because of its flat surface. Now that you have understood what a cuboid shape is, please tell me which of the objects on this table are of cuboid shape?
Madam, the matchstick box, toothpaste carton, and the mithai carton, they are all cuboids.
That's right. Now we will move on to the next shape. Do you like to eat ice cream?
Yes, madam.
In that case, you must be familiar with the ice cream cone. Its shape is circular at the top and pointed at the bottom. The shape which appears like an ice cream cone is known as a cone. Ice cream cone, mehendi cone, clown's cap are all examples of the cone shape. Look at this clown's cap which I have in my hand. It is shaped like a cone and its flat base is circular. A cone has one edge and one corner. See how the sloping surface of this cap between the edge and the corner turns continuously around. It is called the curved surface. Children, now can you tell me which other objects have this shape besides the clown's cap?
Madam, pipes made of card paper.
That's right. This means that now you have understood the cuboid and cone shapes very well.